guys, today is Friday. It's February 6, 2026. Kakatapos ko lang gawin yung research namin and na-print ko na rin and for checking na lang siya mamaya sa school. I'm really sorry kung ganito yung boses ko kasi may sakit ako ngayon. As usual, may sakit na lang ako lagi. Ang gagawin natin today is mag-unbox tayo kasi we have received some PRs from the brands. Meron tayong 3 PR dito, so let's unbox it. Ang agenda ko today ay meron akong afternoon class later and ngayong morning wala akong schedule ngayon. Doon kasi galing to. It's either IG or sa TikTok siya galing. Look at the packaging. I love the packaging. Thank you so much, Yizuyu. Next is this box. Parang sa pagkakaalam ko, same brand lang sila nung toothpaste na yun. Ito yung laman ng box. Same brand nga sila nung toothpaste. So ito naman is yung teeth whitening strips na Yizuyu din. Ito yung checka ng teeth, kung anong color yung teeth mo. Tapos, meron ako nakitang mga ganito. So, ito siguro yung mga strips. Tapos, meron pa ibang naman. Ayoko na ipakita, baka sumabog. So, ganyan na siya. Next is this big parcel. This is from Ever Belena Cosmetics. Sobrang secure ng packaging. Ooh, what your skin deserves. Meron tayo dito Snail Aloe Youthful Glow Serum. Best for anti-aging, moisturizing, skin renewal. So meron tayong 3 ganito. And also we have this Snail Moisturizing Sheet Mask. We have this in 4. Thank you so much Ever Organics and Ever Belena. Hello!
Ano lang, yung face namin, okay lang.
Wala yung mga kolorum na katabi sa harap kasi nauna sila. We're late.
Ito lang. Nakagay. Yung mas maganda lighting dito kaysa kanina!
Sobrang tagal.
Payakan, Joshua Rufino, 1.47, 1.50.
TYL. TYL. Hindi nakikita kasi matila. Hey you guys, today is Monday. It's February 16, 2026. It's currently 10:44 a.m. Wala akong pasok this week and next week kasi mayroong event sa school. I don't know anong event yun. So most probably by the first week of March na ulit yung pasokan namin. Hindi ko rin pala na-share sa inyo but nakapag-proposal defense na kami sa aming research and it went good naman. Nagpo-proceed na kami sa survey and some minor revision sa paper namin kasi may mga sinuggest sila so kailangan namin gawin yun. Tapos we had our recognition for Honor Society. Ayun, nakita nyo nga sa naunang video. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video sa mga ganap ko lalo na sa research kasi sobrang busy talaga and sobrang hassle as in. Anyways, may dumating ulit tayong PR so let's unbox it. Let's start with Ever Organics. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya. So, wala na siyang packaging na plastic. Alam ko bagong release nila to, yung aloe vera sunscreen. Thank you so much, Ever Organics from Ever Belena Cosmetics. Meron pa akong black water. Yeah, meron pa ako. Ito pa yung black water ko. Ayun o. So, meron ulit akong bago. Sobrang generous na as in. Sabi na... Ito yung nauna nila pinadala sa akin. Meron na naman tayong bago. Siguro papamigay ko na lang din to sa mga pinsan ko or friends kong lalaki. Thank you. Thank you so much, Blackwater and Never Belena. Kung gusto niyo magpa-giveaway ako ng mga PR, let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, andito ako ngayon sa school. Nag-ayos akong papers. Papunta ako ngayon sa admin para i-claim yung papers. Ang ingay, may ginagawa kasi construction. I'm just alone. Unfortunately, hindi ko nakasama yung friend ko, si Sandy. So yeah, wish me luck. Saan tayo kakain?
Large ano?
Hey guys, so kauwi ko lang and let's do a quick haul from Mr. DIY. Dami ko nilakad today. Nagpunta akong school, nagpunta akong City Hall, nagpunta ako ng palengke. Sorry kung sobrang haggard na ng itsura ko. Bumili ako ng tissue, facial tissue sa DIY. Bumili rin ako ng cotton swabs, Tender Love cleansing wipes, aloe vera scented. Suklay, kasi kailangan ko ng suklay, wala akong suklay. That's it for my haul and I need to shoot 2 contents today. Actually, yung isang content, kagabi pa dapat yung posting but hindi ako nakapag-shoot. Hindi ko sure kung maliligo muna ako or siguro baka maligo muna ako kasi kailangan ko muna mag-isip rin ng susuotin ko sa shoot ko. For brand 2 naman sa Ever Organics. Tapos ako sa set 1 ng around 6:30 PM. Kailangan ko man ayusin yung buko, hindi pwedeng ganyan yun. Ito nga yung gagawin ko ng content for Ever Organics. Nasa kalagitnaan ako ng pag-film ngayon ng content and hindi pa ako tapos. I need to sit lang within 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes is enough for this mask. Hey guys, today is Monday. Wala akong class today. Actually, this week wala akong class kasi merong SQA 3 sa school. Sa school namin ginanap. I'm really sorry sa boses ko kasi may sakit na naman ako. Parang every video na ginagawa ko may sakit na lang ako. Meron na naman tayong dumating na PRs. Let's start with this. This is from Careline and Ever Belena. Please bear with me lalo na sa boses ko kasi nga may sakit ako ngayon. Share ko lang bago tayo mag-unbox. Alam nyo ba, yesterday night bago ako matulog, pinanood ko yung mga unboxing videos ko ng PR, mga PR videos ko sa YouTube channel ko. And sobrang nostalgic lang as in, I've been doing this for nearly 6 years na. I guess kasi I started last 2020 and up to now, ginagawa ko pa rin yung passion ko which is to create contents. Kasi there's part of me that I really wanted to explore and I really see myself in a creative space talaga. Let's open this. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Ito pala yung bagong release ng Careline Cosmetics in partnership with the One Piece. First is we have this One Piece keychain. We also have this One Piece shirt and bucket hat sa Teen Lip Bullet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 satin lip bullets. They're gel liner and micro tip ended liner. Volumizing mascara, brow tattoo, and clear mascara. 5 shades of peel off tints. This is the Careline eyeshadow palette. Look at that. Once na-open mo na siya, hindi na siya iikot. Thank you so much, Careline. Let's proceed to our next PR from Blackwater. This new release of them is really interesting, so let's check it. Ooh. Quick thick hair fiber. We have the shade black and dark brown. Thank you so much, Blackwater and Ever Belena. Time check, it's 4:01 PM and kakatapos ko lang gumawa ng PowerPoint namin. Gagawin ko ngayon ay mag-video ko. Ngayon na ulit ako magsusuot ng summer uniform. Tuwing Friday kasi ito naka-schedule and Wednesday. And tuwing Friday hindi na ako nagaganito. Colorum kasi ko ayoko na nagaganito. I'll get ready first and then I will film my part. Kapagpalit na ako ng summer uniform and I'm about to film. Today is Monday, it's March 2, it's 11:14 AM. Supposedly, nasa school dapat ako ngayon kasi magpapacheck kami ng research, but my group mates are not available this moment, so hindi na kami nakapagpacheck. Ang dami-dami ko palang need ko ngayon, grabe. 2 weeks akong nakabakante kasi nga 2 weeks kami nga ng pasok. because of the squadry na ginanap sa school namin. And ang dami kong dapat gawin, ang dami kong dapat tapusin. My contents with the Caroline and One Piece collaboration are still pending. I still have to upload 3 or 2 contents ata yung pending ko. I also need to upload yung Blackwater. Actually, due ngayon ng isang content, but hindi pa yun yung nasushoot ko. Yung nasushoot ko pa lang is yung by February. Bali yung mga i-upload kong contents today is for Caroline and Blackwater muna. And yung isang Blackwater na brand, which is bagong release nila, tomorrow ko na lang shoot and tomorrow ko na lang siguro i-upload. And then, I have a lot of paperworks to do today. Grabe, I need to memorize, I need to review, I need to revise our paper. We need to print everything that we need for tomorrow for the validation of our survey questionnaires. I still can't believe na March na, sobrang bilis ng araw. Nag-bedret lang ako kanina kasi nakaligo naman ako. Nag-bedret lang ako kanina kasi I don't feel na gawin yung mga dapat kong gawin muna. I'll eat my lunch first and then I'll do everything after that. I made my own fried rice. I always do love cooking ng mga leftover foods. So, ang recipe for today I have this skinless and then pork, chili garlic, sugar, soy sauce, oil, and the rice. Chef's kiss. Ice cream. So, bumili yung tita ko ng ice cream yesterday. Ang sakit ipin ko ah. Do ka ni sunday mas. Dala pang payong, hindi naman mainit. Di ba last na nagpa-check tayo tayong dalawa lang rin? Just the two of us.
Tinramba naman kasi yung Japanese. Guys, balak ko nga ngayon pala kami sa yung Japanese. Face the wall ka daw dyan, men. Tama lang ko ba ng mga pike?
Marami na tayo sa metro.
So good na!